Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your XDC tokens from Trust Wallet to Coinbase. It's a straightforward process, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you do it safely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, this guide will have you set in no time. First things first, open your Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Make sure it's the latest version for 2025 to avoid any compatibility issues. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets section and select your XDC wallet. XDC, or Zinfin's native token, should be listed there. If not, you might need to add it manually from the token search. Next, hit the Send button. Before you proceed, grab your Coinbase wallet address. Open the Coinbase app, go to your account, and copy the XDC specific address. Pro tip: always double check that you're using the correct network. XDC should be on the Shin-Fin network to avoid any lost funds. Now, back in Trust Wallet, paste the Coinbase address into the To field. Enter the amount of XDC you want to send, and don't forget to review the transaction fees. In 2025, fees might be lower due to network upgrades, but they can still add up, so keep an eye on that. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like Face ID or a PIN. You'll see a confirmation screen. Take a second to verify all details. After that, sit tight. The transaction might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. One more thing. Always monitor your transactions on a blockchain explorer like XDC Explorer to ensure everything goes smoothly. If you run into any issues, like a failed transfer, check for common errors such as incorrect addresses or insufficient funds. And there you have it. That's how you send XDC from Trust Wallet to Coinbase in 2025. It's simple once you know the steps, and it keeps your crypto moving securely. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.